Want to create folders without opening File Explorer? Command Prompt makes it quick, and you can create folders, nested folders, and even several folders at once with just a few commands. In this guide, I'll show you the easiest ways to create and organize folders using CMD. Let's get started. First, open Windows Search and type Command Prompt or CMD. Select the app to open it. You'll see a prompt showing your current location. This is the folder where CMD will create a new folder unless you specify a different location. The easiest way to create a folder is with the mkdir command. Type mkdir followed by the folder name and press enter. For example, mkdir projects. That's it. CMD creates the folder in your current location. You can also use the shorter md command, which does the same thing. If your folder name contains spaces, put the entire name inside quotation marks. For example, type mkdir, quotation mark, my projects, quotation mark, and press enter. This tells CMD to treat the words as one folder name. Yeah, remember the quotation marks whenever spaces are involved. You can also create a folder somewhere else by specifying its full path. For example, mkdir, quotation mark, c:\users \your name \documents \projects quotation mark. Replace the example path with the location you actually want to use. If the parent folders already exist, CMD can create the final folder there. Need several folders. You can create them with one command by separating the names with spaces. For example, mkdir photos, videos, documents. CMD will create all three folders in the current location. This is useful when you're setting up a new project or organizing files quickly. You can also create a folder structure in one command. For example, mkdir project \images \raw. If the required parent directories don't exist, CMD can create the directory structure for you. This can save a lot of time when setting up organized project folders. And that's how to create folders using CMD. Use mkdir or md for basic folders, quotation marks for names with spaces, and full paths when you need a specific location. You can even create multiple or nested folders with one command. So, once you get comfortable with these commands, folder organization becomes really quick.